Welcome to the Great Wall, spanning over 13,000 miles across rugged mountains and vast deserts. The Great Wall of China is more than just a barrier. It's a symbol of human perseverance and ancient engineering. Join me on a journey back in time as we walk the stones laid by soldiers and peasants centuries ago, exploring the watchtowers that once guarded an empire. The Great Wall of China is located in northern China, spanning several provinces. Known for its deep-rooted history, diverse culture, and breathtaking landscapes, China is a country that artfully combines tradition with modern advancements. Juyang Pass is the closest section of the Great Wall to Beijing, located 60 kilometers away, which is about a 1.5-hour drive. Situated in a valley surrounded by mountains on both sides, Juyangguan Pass has two gates, the South Gate and the North Gate. The South Gate is the main entrance of Juyangguan Great Wall. The highway passes just under the pass, which does make some noise. The Great Wall, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as an incredible accomplishment of ancient defensive architecture. Stretching over 21,196 kilometers, it was built more than 2,000 years ago and is the longest wall in the world, winding through rugged terrains and steep mountains with stunning scenery. The Great Wall of China symbolizes Chinese ingenuity and resilience, offering a window into the country's rich history and culture. Initially conceived by Emperor Qin Shi Huang in the 3rd century BC, this ancient defense system, built and maintained over many dynasties, is a testament to China's determination to protect its people from invasion. A visit to the Great Wall allows you to walk in the footsteps of emperors and enjoy panoramic views of China's diverse landscapes, making it a must-see for nature and history enthusiasts alike. What's more unique is the Great Wall never gets old. No matter how many photos or documentaries you've seen, nothing compares to standing on the wall itself, with centuries of history beneath your feet and endless mountain views stretching into the horizon. The Great Wall is not a single structured wall. It includes beacon towers, barracks, garrison stations, and fortresses along the walls, together forming an integrated defense system. From the breathtaking views to the deep history carved into every brick, discover why this wonder of the world continues to captivate millions around the globe. In general, the best times to visit the Great Wall of China are spring or autumn, and more specifically, the months of April, May, September, and October. Not only do those months offer the best scenery with beautiful budding flowers in the spring and colorful leaves in autumn, they also offer the most comfortable experience for hikers. Summer in Beijing tends to be quite hot and humid, not to mention that many domestic tourists visit the Great Wall during their summer break, which can make hiking rather taxing. Winter, on the other hand, is not just uncomfortably cold, snow can also make the Great Wall slippery and dangerous for hikers. The Juyangguan Great Wall Museum has 6 exhibition halls. It showcases the history and cultural heritage of the Great Wall of China over nearly 1,100 years from multiple aspects through pictures, real objects, materials, models, scenes, digital interactions, etc. The museum presents a rich array of exhibition elements showcasing the historical evolution, cultural continuity, everlasting spiritual heritage, and more about Juyongguan Great Wall. Visitors can learn about the brick structure of the Great Wall and how these bricks were fired with the aid of digital multimedia facilities, immersing themselves in the challenging terrain of the Juyongguan Great Wall. The museum's exhibitions are organized into 7 thematic sections, each illuminating different aspects of the Great Wall's legacy. If you're a foreign tourist from outside China, it's best to bring your favorite snacks in case the food at the nearest restaurant doesn't suit your taste. This is a common practice among foreign tourists. That's a wrap from the Great Wall. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey to the Great Wall of China. I hope this video inspired you or helped plan your future trip. Have you ever visited a wonder of the world, or is this one on your bucket list? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more travel adventures coming soon. Until the next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring.